Hello everyone, welcome to another Repainted Repairs. As you can see in the title as well as on your screen right now. In this video we'll be taking Mudflap or UT's version of him and be repainting him basically. I did make some alterations because the wheels are incorrect. So I made them new ones. They need some paint and yes, they are a little bit smaller, which is correct with how they were in the movie. So he'll be getting those, and I am contemplating on modding him just a little bit here, as in cutting that out and putting it either on here, on the roof, or on the door itself. I might not do it, but it's a thought that I have. So you'll have to see all the way in the movie if I do it or not. I need to check one more time where it ends in robot mode, and then we'll see if it's a possibility to take it out. It will help the profile a little bit better because this bit of the door shouldn't be on the door. Other than that, I don't see a way of modifying him to include a better transformation, even though he's quite cute. I think repainting him will do him a lot of good anyway. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the colors he's going to get. Of course, one of my favorite colors from Tamiya is metallic orange. Even though he's a little bit more reddish in the movie, I think this will be the color for him. I like it a lot and it comes close to what he is in the movie, so I'll be using that. For the bumpers, I'll be using Battleship Grey, which is LP15. I'll be using this for the bumpers and the trim he's got. Of course, there will be rubber black for the tires. There will be black for the wheels. Sorry, for the rims themselves, not the tires, but the wheels. There'll be a silver edge in there as well. We'll be using red for the taillights, and of course, several shades of silver for the robot mode, as well as transparent clear for the taillights once I do them, because I want it to be a little bit more taillighty. Don't know the proper word for it. So without further ado, let's get him into robot mode first, and I'll need to remove the wheels so I can install these. So here we go. So I transformed him into robot mode, as you can see, and I did find out that this piece of the door actually would fit right in here with the window. So I think I'll just glue them on there and make the doors a little bit shorter. That way they do have to, I do have to take into consideration that the hold will be slightly less effective. That said, it might just help a lot because it is a tight fit and a tight squeeze if you want to remove them. So yeah, let's get those things done, and then it is time to get them apart and start painting. And this is how it looks when the door is off. So just a little bit better. That said, one to go. So see you on the other side. So I took down the little bits from the door, as you can see. The doors are trimmed, his wings are clipped, and he's looking just a little bit more, a little bit cleaner than he was before. There are still some things to do, but for now it's just showing you how the doors look now. The pieces are glued over here onto the window sills. You need to be careful that you match them with the upper lines. For now, I need to get to the wheels, and that means that I need to take them apart, which I'll do off camera, and then I'll put them ready for paint as well. Then I'll just install the wheels and make sure he looks the way he should look. So let's get him apart. So here we have Mudflap dismantled. As you can see, I did test fit with the new piece installed over there. I need to add some filler in here to make sure that when it's in alt mode it looks good enough. I need to do some sanding, and then it's still in parts. I did remove the wheels. I deleted the video. I'm sorry about that, but all you could see was my hands doing stuff, and you couldn't see what I was doing. I did test fit the new wheels on his legs, so I'll just put them off camera. What I did to remove the wheels, they're metal pins inside plastic bodies. You can see it here. There's a little bit of plastic and the wheel is there with a metal pin. I just heated the metal pin and with a soldering iron, and it just popped right off. And then I made it sure that the wheels fit in flush. And since these are more prototype wheels, I not glue them on anyway because I like it better that way. It's good for now. The prototype wheels have a little bit of filler in here. I removed that for the old version, so you can actually have the wheels spinning. You can do it now, but you'll need to install the pin again, and I might just not want to do that. Then again, I just might do it again, but we'll see when it's time to install the wheels. For now, it's time to get those bits we've got right here ready for paint. So I need to clean them, and I need to make sure everything is grease free, and I need to tape off stuff on the car. Mostly the windows needs to be taped off so I can actually have the car look the way it should. So I'll go clean these, and then we can do a paint montage. And with all that said, everything is taped up, it's cleaned, and now it's time to add some paint to it. So of course, at first I'm going to start with the metallic orange, because that will be the base color of Mudflap. So join me at the paint booth and we'll get it all started. And here we have it, Mudflap all painted. It's still a bit flat in the color, but this is the color it's going to get. As you can see, it's a little bit more orange than it was before. That's because I did it with a clear yellow. And before I put a clear coat on him, I'll do this one, LP15, Arsenal Grey. That will be the one we'll use for the bumpers and the trim. That's not going to be orange, of course. As you might have noticed, even though he doesn't have it in the movie, I did add some yellow, or sorry, some orange to his crotch area. I did it on purpose because since I am going for an accurate car mode, that means that most of the front of the car will be grey instead of the orange it should have. So it's not going to be entirely correct, but it's gonna be close enough. So I let it cure for a while, take off the tape, and then it's time to do the grey. Sometimes I just get too excited and forget to hit play or record anything. The same happened with the bumpers. I decided to go and paint them by hand, and I got so into it that I forgot to hit play on the camera. But here they are, hand painted, so I need to clear coat them. I also did the silver, and I extended it a little bit beyond the frame to incorporate the side marker, which I think my editor will show in now somewhere around here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But yeah, the side marker will be installed. It will actually help with the look of the car. The same goes with the bumpers. All goes grey. The same on the car. Bits. As you can see, it's still flat, but it will be shiny later. And I also did the spoiler in black. And the same goes with the front. And I still need to do the silver on here and on the bumper. I did the side marker there as well. Not that clearly because there's a hinge in there, but it gives you an idea of how the car is going to look. Also, since I was working with black, I painted wheels black. They'll need to get the chromy silver ring around the wheel, and then it's the rubber tire. So for now I'm just going to have it cure a little bit, and I'll see you when it's time to hit it with the clear. So everything is it's clear coat now. I think the best way to work is work from the ground up. So I think at first I'll do the wheels I made for him with rubber black. So now it's time to finally get to the good parts. We're going to do the metallic gray, the base color for all my robots. Of course, it's my custom mix of gunmetal gray with metallic black. As you can see, it's a nice metallic dark color, and we'll be using that for the base of his robot mode. So let's get into it. Here's Mudflap after he's painted and everything's done. I still need to do some battle damage on him, but at the moment I just don't have the time because I'm going on holiday for a while. At the holiday I will be doing another video about Dino, so that will be out next week. I hope so, and yeah, for now I do hope you enjoyed the video and that you enjoyed Mudflap. I'll do some beauty shots later. Maybe I'll do a short with him being painted with the battle damage. But for now, this will give you an idea how he can look after he's painted. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.